Welcome to Art of Craft, where creativity meets purpose and scrap becomes profit. In today's episode, we're diving into upcycled decor and functional art design ideas that don't just look beautiful, they actually make money. If you've ever wondered how reclaimed wood, old metal, pallets, or discarded materials can be transformed into high-value home decor, you're in the right place. Upcycled decor is more than a trend, it's a movement. People everywhere are choosing sustainable, handmade, and meaningful pieces over mass-produced furniture. And when you combine artistic design with real functionality like coffee tables, floating shelves, industrial pipe racks, lighting fixtures, and smart storage solutions, you create products customers truly need and are willing to pay for. That's the secret. Beauty plus function equals profit. On this channel, we focus on designs that are practical, repeatable, and marketable. Not just random DIY projects, but intentional creations that can become a steady income stream. From rustic industrial furniture to small, high-margin items like serving trays, key holders, and wall decor, I'll show you how to turn simple materials into premium handmade products, because here at Art of Craft, we don't just build decor, we build opportunity. We turn waste into value, creativity into business, and passion into income. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which upcycled idea you want to start with. Let's turn waste into wealth and creativity into income. Have you ever looked at scrap wood, old metal, or discarded furniture and thought it was just waste? What if I told you that those same materials could be turned into beautiful, functional art that actually makes money? In today's video, we're talking about upcycled decor and functional design ideas that are not just creative, but profitable. Upcycled decor means transforming old or unused materials into something better and more valuable. And when you combine that with functional art, pieces that are both useful and decorative, you create products people truly want to buy. Customers today love sustainability, handmade craftsmanship, and unique home pieces that tell a story. That's your opportunity. Let's start with reclaimed wood furniture. Coffee tables, console tables, floating shelves, and desks made from reclaimed wood and metal are always in demand. The rustic industrial style is especially popular. These pieces are strong, practical, and visually striking. The best part? If you keep the design simple and repeatable, you can produce them efficiently and increase your profit margin. Next, think small but smart. Wall-mounted key holders, coat racks, pipe shelves, and hanging planters are easy to make and easy to ship. These functional wall decor items solve everyday problems like storage and organization. Because they are affordable, they sell quickly, especially online through platforms like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, and Instagram. Lighting is another powerful category. Upcycled lamps made from metal pipes, old machine parts, or reclaimed wood bases can become statement pieces in modern homes. Lighting adds atmosphere, and people are willing to pay premium prices for unique designs. Just make sure the wiring is safe and professionally finished. If you're just starting, focus on 3 to 5 core products. Don't try to make everything at once. Calculate your material costs, add your labor time, and set a price that includes real profit. To craft pieces that truly make money, focus on designs that are simple, strong, and repeatable. For example, reclaimed wood combined with black metal creates a popular industrial look. A well-finished coffee table or wall-mounted pipe shelf can be produced multiple times with consistent quality. Avoid overly complex designs that take too long to make, as they reduce efficiency and profit. Instead, refine a small collection of 3 to 5 core products and improve them over time. Finishing and presentation are critical. Smooth sanding, solid joints, protective coatings, and clean edges separate professional work from hobby projects. High-quality photos and clear product descriptions also increase sales potential, especially on platforms like Etsy, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, or YouTube. Showing the transformation process from scrap material to finished product builds trust and emotional connection with customers. Pricing must reflect both material and labor. Calculate all costs carefully and add a fair profit margin. Many makers undervalue their time, but handcrafted functional art should be positioned as premium work. When creativity is supported by smart pricing, consistent branding, and good marketing, upcycled decor becomes more than a passion, it becomes a sustainable business. Ultimately, crafting upcycled decor that makes money requires thinking like both an artist and an entrepreneur. Design with purpose, build with quality, and market with confidence. When done correctly, discarded materials can be transformed not only into beautiful functional art, but into reliable income.